Kipulit ke jala rengkat ke sipai ke Assam Rifles kila yok ban kurup ya buon ba ki Tiar Pynbthei na Byrnihat bat yok ban kem ya ngut kibriu ki batmu ban khaïï tu yakini ki Tiar Pynbthei. Yakini kibriu bat ki Tiar Pynbthei la yok kem na kawe ke kali ke badan number AS not iwei BE lai pra not Kipulit bat kisipai ke lapan abshrib yakini ke kali hakamit skipalai hadin ke jingyok jingtip patikana bagi don kibriu na klerian kipakit iki Tiar Pynbthei da kawe ke kali rin ke batmu ban hiar Shah Assam. Hadian ke jing abat ikini kibriu ki bompat ai kerteng kipulit ki lapan long ya ke jing talasi ya ke kali bat ki layo ban kurup haduk khandai kartun ki niyo gel ne gelatin stick ki bakhya hadu ars pa khandai point khandai pholai kilo san photali ki electronic detonator bat 8000 tali ki special ordinary detonator ya kini kibriu lakit no Shanongpo police station bat lapan ngat yaki hapok ke kendon 5A Jongka Explosive Substance Act. Kajing tokit yakini kibriu kalaya chakmat.
A vehicle carrying explosive substances that may be illegal in nature is being transported from Byrnihat Hills and might proceed towards Guwahati. So, Meghalaya Police along with Assam Rifles, in coordination with Assam Rifles, we had set up a joint Naka in the evening yesterday on 24 to 2022. So the Naka checking was happening and all the vehicles, light vehicles were checked, and around 11:30 p.m. 24 yesterday, so one vehicle was intercepted. The vehicle number is A01BE3800. So around 11:30 p.m. after interception, then it was found that with the joint team of Assam Rifles and Revoil Police that the vehicle contained almost 209 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, 50 numbers of aluminium electronic detonators, and almost 2000 special ordinary detonators were recovered from the vehicle. In this connections, 3 persons have been arrested. Nongpo PS case number 33/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has also been registered under Nongpo PS. And in this connection, almost 3 mobile phones also were seized, and the vehicle also carrying the illegal explosive substances also were seized.